Hey guys, welcome back to my channel SKB English, and today I want to tell you something about the story of Gandhi. You know guys, who is Mahatma Gandhi and why he is famous for? Yes, I would like to tell you that Mahatma Gandhi is the freedom fighter and he is known as the father of our nation, and his full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His nickname was Mohan, and Mahatma Gandhi is a great man of India because you know that he has lots of dedication towards our motherland India in the Indian freedom, and he played non-cooperation movement, Dandi March, Quit India movement, and Satyagraha, etc. So that's why all Indian people missing Mahatma Gandhi even today. He made a small house in everyone's heart. You know guys, Mahatma Gandhi born in Gujarat, Porbandar. His father name was Kaba Gandhi and mother name was Putlibai. He born in 1869, and his wife name was Kasturba Gandhi. He had 4 sons, a happy family. I would like to tell you that Gandhiji was very innocent in the childhood, and he was going to school alone and never talk with anybody. He was very shy in nature. So many incidents happen in the life of Gandhi that we cannot forget. I want to explain some short stories of Gandhi that would be very interesting if you should listen. First of all, I want to tell you the short story that is school inspector. Once a school inspector come to the school and Gandhiji was in the front line, and the inspector dictated some words and Gandhiji had done a mistake in spelling, but his class teacher gave the signal and to Mohan to cheat from the side student, but Mohan did that. And when the school inspector gone away and class teacher and scolded him, beat him too much, Gandhiji said, imitation has no intelligence. If I should cheat, then I cannot improve my knowledge. So from this incident, we are understanding that Gandhiji was very truthful in nature. Second story, I want to tell you that pencil lost. Once Gandhiji and his friend were going to the school, and along the way they lost the small pencil, and Mohan or Gandhiji and searched and for the long time, but he did not find it, and after long time and he got this pencil, but his friend asked, Mohan, why did you lose your time by searching a small pencil? Gandhiji said, it is maybe a small pencil for you, but it is a great thing for me because by using this small pencil I can write long stories. So from this incident we are understanding that Gandhiji was very careful about all the small things. Another story I want to tell you that half naked fakir. So one day a small child and came to the Gandhi and said, Bapu, and why are you wearing the half dresses and why your body is half naked and my mother is a tailor, can I bring a full dress for you? Then Mahatma Gandhi said, and millions of Indian brothers and sisters are wearing half dresses. They are half naked even today. If your mother would prepare or make the dress for them, then I will absolutely wear the full dress. From this incident, we are understanding thus Gandhiji was loving to the all Indian and strongly, and he was thinking all Indians are my brother and sister. And Gandhiji also told that Harijana, Hari means God and Jana means people, and Harijana means people of God. And his main slogan was do or die, and Ahimsa was his nature, and non-violence was his nature. He was telling always we should support to the non-violence. So I would like to tell you that Gandhiji's father, Karamchand Gandhi, given a toy to the monkey, and in this toy there were 3 monkeys, and one was blind, second was deaf, and third was dumb. So from the 3 monkey of Gandhi, we are understanding that we should not see bad, we should not listen bad, we should not speak bad. So Gandhi's life was very peaceful life, and he was very dedicated and lovable, simple, gentle, kind and honest. So his dedication towards our motherland, his sacrification towards our motherland is great. That's why our Indian constitution given the place to Gandhi in the Indian currency. So I would like to tell you that Gandhiji is the great man of India. We all should remember him and his dedication. We all should miss him and forever. And like Gandhi, we should change our character, change our nature, manner and behavior. We should be truthful and we should lovable towards our motherland India, and we would try to do something for our motherland India. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.